Did you know that you could make around $3,100 just from the unused items? Surprising, isn't it? But here's the reality of our consumerist culture. We buy, we store, and we forget. But what if I told you that there's an online gold mine sitting in your attic or garage? But before we delve in, like and subscribe, welcome to the fascinating world of online selling, a world where your old comic book collection or that unused fitness equipment could be someone else's treasure. And the best part? You can make a good chunk of change from it. Yes, you heard it right. Those 52 items could translate into a cool $3,100, maybe even more. Today, we're journeying into the heart of eBay, one of the world's most popular online marketplaces. We'll be your guide on this treasure hunt, providing you with a step-by-step roadmap to convert your clutter into cash. From setting up your account to making your first sale, we got you covered. But we won't stop there. We'll also dive into the tantalizing world of affiliate marketing, a realm where you can earn a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? So, are you ready to unearth the potential of your unused items and discover the secrets of making money online? Then let's get started. Stick around to turn your clutter into cash. Clearing out your attic might seem like a chore, but with eBay, it could be your next gold mine. Imagine turning that dusty old lamp into a dazzling payday, or that vintage t-shirt. It might just be someone's nostalgia-fueled dream come true. And it all starts with creating an eBay account. It's as simple as a trip to ebay.com, a click on the register button, and filling in a few details. Before you know it, you're ready to step into the bustling global marketplace that is eBay. Now, let's talk about listing your first item. The title of your listing is your first impression, so make it count. Try to describe your item as accurately and enticingly as possible. Vintage lamp is a start, but mid-century modern brass desk lamp is a title that truly shines. Your description should be detailed and honest. Mention the brand, the condition, and any unique features. Remember, honesty is always the best policy, especially when you're building trust with potential buyers. Next, let's capture your item in its best light, literally. Good photos can make a world of difference. Use natural light, capture multiple angles, and include close-ups of any details or defects. A picture is worth 1,000 words, or in this case, potentially $1,000. Now, on to pricing. This can be a tricky one. You don't want to undersell, but you also don't want to scare off potential buyers. Start by researching similar items on eBay. What are they selling for? This can give you a ballpark figure. But remember, the value of an item is ultimately what someone is willing to pay for it. Finally, you're ready to list your item. Double-check everything, hit list item, and voila! You've just stepped into the exciting world of online selling. Now that you've listed your item, it's time to make a sale. And who knows, that old trinket gathering dust in the corner, it might just be someone's treasure. So roll up those sleeves, delve into that attic, and let's turn those forgotten items into a fortune. Congrats! You've listed your first item on eBay, but how do you ensure it sells? Let's delve into some strategies that will help you turn that listing into cold hard cash. First off, promotion is key. Think of your listing as a product in a high street shop window. You want it to be seen by as many passers-by as possible. So share your listing on your social media platforms, send it to friends and family, and encourage them to spread the word. The more eyes on your listing, the higher the chances of making a sale. Next up, customer service. Respond to questions promptly and professionally. Show potential buyers that you're reliable and trustworthy. Remember, a good reputation can go a long way in boosting your sales. Now let's talk about managing your eBay store. Keep your listings tidy and well organized. Regularly update your inventory and make sure your product descriptions are clear and accurate. Photos are equally important. Ensure they're high quality and showcase your product from all angles. Lastly, don't forget to study your competition. Look at what successful sellers are doing and learn from them. Are they offering free shipping? Do they have a return policy? These small things can make a big difference in attracting buyers. With these tips, you're well on your way to your first sale. You've made your first sale? Now what? Well, sit tight because we're about to dive into the post-sale hustle, and it's just as critical as making the sale itself. First off, let's talk about packaging. Now, you might be thinking, it's just a box, right? But oh, how mistaken you are. Packaging is your first physical interaction with your buyer, and it's your chance to make a great impression. Use sturdy, clean packaging and make sure the item is secure. Nobody likes a broken treasure. And remember, a little note saying thank you can go a long way in making your customer feel valued. Next up, shipping. It's crucial to send your item promptly. Let's face it, we live in an age of instant gratification. The quicker your buyer gets their purchase, the happier they'll be. And happy customers leave positive feedback. Speaking of which, feedback is the lifeblood of your eBay reputation. So, always strive for those 5-star ratings. Now brace yourself. Returns can and will happen. It's not the end of the world. In fact, a smooth return process can actually enhance your reputation. Be gracious, be understanding, and always remember, the customer is king. So you've made a sale, you've shipped your item, and you're handling returns like a pro. What's next? Well, why stop at one sale? Expand your product range. Sell items that complement each other. If you sold a vintage teapot, why not sell vintage teacups next? And finally, always aim to improve your seller rating. It's like your online street cred. The higher it is, the more people will trust you, and the more sales you'll make. Respond to queries promptly, describe items accurately, and always be professional. With persistence and a little bit of luck, you could turn your eBay store into a thriving online business. So go on, delve into those dusty attics, discover forgotten treasures, and start your journey to becoming an eBay mogul.